Good morning, class. I hope that you guys are doing well, feeling well, that you're practicing a little self-care. Unfortunately, the semester is going to look wildly different than I had planned, than the university had planned. First, I want to let you know that I really, truly miss seeing each and every one of you multiple times a week. I have really enjoyed this class this semester and was looking forward to the end of the semester because we get into a lot more in-class activities that are fun, the guest lectures, and the documentaries. So this is going to look very different than it has in past semesters. But we'll get through it. We're going to be flexible together. We're going to be understanding, patient, and it will all work out. You guys will do fine. I will be with you every step of the way. And if you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to email me. The email is trisha.smith@avila.edu. So that's tricia.smith@avila.edu. Please feel free to text me any questions or concerns. My number is 913-568-5903. The first thing I'd like to do is let's go through the revised syllabus. You can find the revised syllabus in two places on Canvas. Under our course, it's in an announcement, and then I've also uploaded it to Canvas under Files. Everything that has changed is in red, so you can easily find it. So let's start with course requirements and assignments number 1. Let's talk about exam number 2, which is going to be the final. It's going to be the same day that it was originally scheduled, which is Tuesday, May 5th. And I'm going to put the exam, the final, out on Canvas. It's going to be open from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m., so you're going to have a much longer time to complete the final. Of course, it's going to be open book, open note, PowerPoint, whatever you have. It's going to be over chapters 9, 10, 15, and 16, the domestic violence lecture, the addiction lecture, the psychology of pandemics, and then the video warning, this drug may kill you. We'll also do a review online for the final, and I will post study guides for each chapter and each lecture. My plan is to do a lecture video every week. I'm not going to require you to log in at the times our class was scheduled to meet. What I'm going to do is just create a video, upload it on Monday, and I'm going to give you, at your leisure, you can get in and watch it. It is important that you get in and watch the videos as there are going to be discussion questions that'll be posted to Canvas at the beginning of the week as well. There'll be 5 discussion questions for every lecture. Each question is probably going to be worth about 5 points, but the discussion questions will be worth a total of 25 points. And they will deal with questions over the lecture material. And those are going to be due every Friday at 2 p.m. And probably the way that's going to work is I'm going to open up maybe like under the discussions tab in Canvas, open up a discussion, and what you'll be required to do is answer each of the questions and then reply to at least one of your classmates. So let's look at number 2, the research psychology experience. So I finally have heard from the School of Psychology they are discontinuing all research studies and actually not going to require that any hours be completed. For those of you who have completed some hours, I am going to offer extra credit for those. So look for an announcement in Canvas later this week that'll detail how many extra credit points that you'll get based on the number of hours or study hours that you've completed. And what I'll do is I'll ask Dr. Waggy to send me an email list of students that have completed hours and the number of hours that you've completed. So let's take a look at number 3, stress and self-care. I have moved that assignment back a little bit. It is now due this Friday, the 27th, by 2 p.m. And what I need is the self-care planning tool and then the How Stressed Are You quiz. And you can do one of two things. You can scan those and upload those and send them to me via email, or you can just snap a quick picture of them and text them to me if you want to do that. Again, my number is 568-5903. If you have lost those sheets for any reason, they are out on Canvas under Files, so you can still find them. And let's see, let's move on to number 5. It's the assignment Break and Addiction. That one I have moved back as well. It is now due, both the excuse me, both the journal and the experience summary. Excuse me, guys. Both the journal and the experience summary are due Friday, April the 3rd by 2 p.m. And you can go into Canvas and upload your assignments there. There are 2 separate assignments. One is for the journal, and then one is for your experience summary. Nothing about the assignment has changed other than the due date. Let's see. The videos and the homework assignments for When They See Us and Hannah Gatsby have both been canceled. And the reason I decided to cancel those is they are both on Netflix, and since Netflix is a paid subscription and I don't know who has it and who does it, I'm not going to require it. There'll be no more quizzes for this semester. Unfortunately, no guest speakers. I am still giving professionalism points for the end of the semester, so from midterm to the end of the semester, you'll be able to earn 160 points. And I am going to base those on whether or not you are watching the lecture videos. If you're answering the discussion questions, turning in assignments on time, being respectful and professional and courteous to me and your classmates as we're all interacting. And then discussion questions is number 13. As I said, those are going to go up on Mondays. They're going to be connected to the lecture from that week. They're going to be due every Friday by 2 p.m. And I believe what I'm going to do again is open up under discussions, a discussion board, have you answer the questions, and then you'll be required to respond to at least one of your classmates. Let's see, number 14, you'll see that we have a new grading scale, so you have an idea of where points are going to fall and where you're at. Number 15, make sure that you're checking Canvas and email regularly. You are responsible for, staying up to date on everything. And I think that's it until we let's go to page 9, the tentative course schedule. I have updated that as well. So you'll see that this week we're going to have a lecture on the psychology of pandemics. And then on Friday at 2 p.m. your discussion questions will be due, and your self-care plan and worksheet along with this stress quiz is due by 2 p.m. And like I said, you can scan those in and email them to me, or just snap it and take a picture and text it to me. Next week, you're going to be watching a video called Warning, This Drug May Kill You. It's an HBO documentary, and then there'll be discussion questions that will be posted, and those will be due at the end of the week on Friday at 2 p.m. as well. And then also next Friday, April 3rd, the Break and Addiction assignment, the journal and your experience summary will both be due by 2 p.m. and you can upload those both to Canvas. And then I think that's all I'm going to discuss for now. Every week I'll try and give you kind of a heads up of what's coming, and then give you a heads up for the next week so you know kind of what's going on. We'll get through this. You guys are going to be just fine. You're going to do great in this class. I am sorry that it's going to look so different and not be so interactive as it usually is. And so also, I just want to tell you again how much I miss seeing each and every one of you every day. I've really enjoyed this class so far. And I think that's it for the syllabus. Check back a little later today and I will have the video up for the psychology of pandemics. I'll also upload the PowerPoint for that, and then you'll see the discussion questions there. Have a great day, guys. I'll talk to you later.